Maintaining normothermia plays a vital part in improving outcomes during the patient's surgical journey. Resistive warming has been shown to effectively keep patients warm in a wide variety of surgical settings. Introducing AlphaCore5 Patient Warming System by Inspiration Healthcare. AlphaCore5 can support your patients from the beginning of anesthesia right through to recovery. Our system of warm blankets and mattresses are designed with your patient in mind. Concerned about forced air warming and COVID-19? We've got you covered. AlphaCore5's air-free system does not affect laminar airflow, protecting you and your healthcare colleagues. AlphaCore5 warms the patient, not the planet. With zero disposables and significantly low running costs, you can reduce your carbon footprint and save money, one patient at a time. Stay safe and warm. Every patient, every time. Choose AlphaCore5.